Hi 10th class students, in the last class we discussed the do this in page number 27. Here see the fourth problem in this do this. Set of digits in Ramanujan number, that is 1729. This is the cube of 10 cube and 7 cube. So this is Ramanujan number. So that is also form a set. Now we are going to discuss the another do this in the page number 28. Some numbers are given below. Decide the numbers, which number sets they belongs and does not belongs, expressed with correct symbol. Here see some of the numbers given below. Decide the numbers, which number sets they belongs to, does not belongs to, expression symbols. Okay. One is belongs to set of natural numbers, set of whole numbers, set of integers, set of rational numbers and set of real numbers. One belongs to each and every one. How like see? One belongs to n, one belongs to set of whole numbers, one belongs to set of integers, we represented with I or Z. One belongs to set of rational numbers, one belongs to set of real numbers. This like we have to represent this one. Now the second one is 0. Is it belongs to what set of numbers? One time we have to see. 0 does not belongs to set of natural numbers. Belongs means this symbol, does not belongs this symbol. We have to cross the symbol belongs. So 0 belongs to set of whole numbers, 0 belongs to set of integers, 0 belongs to set of rational numbers, 0 belongs to set of real numbers. Now the third question, minus 4. Minus 4 does not belongs to. Minus 4, when we take here minus 4, see how like we have to write. Minus 4 does not belongs to set of natural numbers, minus 4 does not belongs to set of whole numbers, minus 4 belongs to set of integers because this is negative integer, minus 4 belongs to set of rational numbers, minus 4 belongs to set of real numbers. This way we have to represent the remaining problems. What are that? 5 by 6, 1.3 bar, like that. Another question I have to say you, root 2. Root 2. Root 2 does not belongs to set of natural numbers. Root 2 does not belongs to set of whole numbers. Root 2 does not belongs to integers. Root 2 does not belongs to rational numbers. But root 2 belongs to real numbers because the union of real and irrationals are said to be real numbers. Oh sorry, the union of rational and irrationals together are called real numbers. So that minus root 2 belongs to irrational numbers, so that root 2 belongs to set of real numbers. Log 2. Log 2 is, it is rational or irrational clearly? Clearly you know that already we proved in the exercise first one. Log 2 is irrational, so it belongs to set of real numbers only. 0.03. 0.03 is terminating decimal. It is belongs to set of rational numbers as well as real numbers. Pi. Pi is already we discussed in 9th standard. Pi is neither terminating nor repeating, so that it belongs to set of irrational numbers. So pi belongs to set of real numbers only. Root of minus 4. Root of minus 4, this is only the question. It does not belongs to any set of numbers here. Root of minus 4 does not belongs to natural numbers as well as whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and also real numbers. Root of minus 4 does not belongs to set of real numbers because root of minus 4 belongs to set of complex numbers. That's why it is does not belongs to any of the numbers here. This is the do this problem in page number 28. Can you write think and discuss in the same page 28. Can you write set of rational numbers listing elements in it? We can write the so many elements are there. So can you write set of rational numbers listing elements in it? It is not possible to write in order. So we can express the general notation of rational numbers in the set builder form. Okay children, here now we are going to discuss some problems in sets, page number 29. So all of you see the page number 29 here, see page number 29, this page. The first one, let us observe roster form and set builder form of some sets. I will write here the roster form and set builder form one time leisure. So roster form, V equal to AEIOU. What are these letters? You clearly know that these are all the set of vowels in English alphabet. So how like we write the set builder form? How we write it? V is equal X such that X is an vowels, is a vowel in English alphabet. So the second one is A is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. What are the letters indicated here? Clearly we know that set of integers lie between -2 and 2, including -2 and +2. So that A is equal X such that X belongs to set of integers and -2 less than or equal to X less than or equal to 2. So the value of X is lie between -2 and +2, including -2 +2, less than or equal. So -2 also included here. In other way we have to represent same one in another form is X such that X belongs to set of integers -3 less than X less than +3. Both way we have to represent the set builder form. Both answers are correct for us. Now the third question goes to B is equal 1, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4 and 1/5. This is B. How we will represent this one? B equal to X such that X belongs to N, X is equal to 1/N, X is equal to 1/Y. This like also we will represent X comma Y. Y belongs to set of natural numbers. X equal to 1/Y and Y less than how much? 6. Y less than, Y belongs to N, Y less than or equal to 5. Y less than or equal to 5 or Y less than 6. This is the decimal set builder form of the set. Now goes through the next question. C is equal 1 to 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 10, 17. C is equal to 2, 5, 10, 17. How we have to represent this one? 2, 5, 10, 17. This is little bit of confusion only. Why? Because there is no pattern. We have to learn some different pattern. 2, 5, 10, 17. So a small pattern included here. This is 1 plus 1, this can be written as 4 plus 1, this is 9 plus 1, this is 16 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 means 1 square plus 1, 4 plus 1 that is 2 square plus 1, 10 plus 1, 9 plus 1 that is 3 square plus 1, 17 that is 4 square plus 1. So the set builder form of this one is x such that x equal to y square plus 1, x comma y belongs to set of natural numbers and y less than or equal to 4. This is the set builder form of this one. This is the set builder roster form, set builder form. Now, do this. List the elements of the following sets. So, what are the elements in the sets? One time we have to discuss here. G is equal to all the factors of 20. G is equal to all the factors of 20. What are the factors of 20? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. These are the factors of 20. So, you can write list the elements. So, the given one is already I told you that is a descriptive form. So, we have to write in a set roster form. G is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. F is equal to the multiples of 4 between 17 and 61 which are divisible by 7. The multiples of 4 as well as which are divisible by 7. So, the multiples of 4 as well as divisible by 7, what are the elements? That is 28 and 56. These are only the elements which are divisible by 4, which is multiple of 4 divisible by 7. Third question, S is equal to X such that X is a letter in the word madam. What are the letters are there? M, A, D. M comma, A comma, D. Write the letters separated by comma and enclosed between the flower braces. P is equal to X such that X is a whole number between 3.5 and 6.7. What are the whole numbers between 3.5 and 6.7? 4, 5, 6. These are only the whole numbers. Next question, write the following sets in roster form. B is the set of all months of a year having 30 days. So, how many months are there in a year having 30 days? That is April, June, July not coming, September and November. April, June, September, November. These are only the months having 30 days. Next question, P is the set of all prime numbers smaller than 10. Prime numbers smaller than 10, what are that? 2, 3, 5, 7. The third question is, X is a set of colors in a rainbow. What colors are there in a rainbow? VIBGR. There are 7 colors are there. VIBGR, you know that? Apply that one, you get the all colors. Okay, children? So, up to that we completed in this class. Tomorrow we have to go through the trices and the third Roman. Okay, children? Bye.